it is me, Zexus Whiting. Today, I am just gonna be with my friend Ethan, so say hi.
Hello.
So, we're just gonna have fun in my world, so, yeah. So, yes, Spartan. Spartan, we could have spoke to you. Come on, man. This is my awesome house.
How are you?
I'm in my house. So, yeah. We're just doing fun stuff. He's my friend Ethan. He's using my iPad.
Yes.
Don't you dare call me. Because I don't have any food. So, yeah.
Shall I give you some?
No. Because I can craft man myself. I don't have mods. Oh man. Let me just turn my mods on. Wait,
What mods you got?
Free crafting.
Cheater.
Yeah, I'm a cheater. Okay. Patching mods. Okay. I'm gonna join you.
So, basta sabi niya kay Myla, ang rate niya sa loob ng isang taon, 45,000. Siya lang yun, ha? Grabe, sabi ko.
Oh yeah, guys. By the way, if you like this texture pack, please like and just comment down below what texture pack we could have next. So yeah. So we fight to the death. Okay.
70 hours per week. Huwag lang
Oo. Nakikita mo na.
Okay naman.
Oh, sa loob ng isang taon.
Are you see my awesome skin?
Eh! Pinayin mo na to, oh. Pare.
So yeah. I'm gonna give my friend a call. So yeah. I'm gonna make an axe. Going to shoot you, Spartan. If it can hit you, and I'm OP with this. Oh, no, please. Don't fight in here, Mom said, don't fight in here. Mom said, she said she's gonna kill you if you fight. Go outside.
It's not fair, you can run quicker, you use the mods.
Okay, I'm gonna take them off. Wait, stop. Taking them off.
Can I have 10-15 minutes appointment?
Okay, look, I'll show you. I'm not running.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, eat your stuff first before we fight.
What?
Eat your food first before you fight.
Eat my food.
Yep. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Baka may i-deliver.
Hindi kaya.
No place.
Don't worry, I want to check your precious stuff once you get
Sabihin ko
killed.
lang,
No! Go away.
Sasalat ka na ba? Can I have 10 minutes with you? 10 minutes.
No. Run. Jukes! Oh my god.
I just wanna give my letter to you. Ngayon, tatanungin niya kung magtataka yun.
Oh my god, I'm the Juke Master. Oh my gosh. No, go away from my family. So go away, jerk. I said you're gonna kill my son. Gonna kill my son.
Yeah, I have one.
Yeah, dude. He's dead now because of you. No. Bye, life. Bye.
I'm gonna get you stuff so I can give it to you.
I still have my stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Did I get free stuff?
Let's do bulbous bow. Okay.
What?
Just do bow versus bow.
Doon ka magsimula. Baba ka ng 11,
Hobo.
11.75.
Hobo like you.
Kasi,
Okay.
You're the hunter.
Araw-araw na pagtrabaho.
What you noob. Okay. We're going to kill you now. Are you ready?
Not really. Because I'm getting more stuff.
Buti kung pwede ka magtrabaho.
Yun na nga.
isipin mo, saka yung gasolina mo.
Oo, yung patay. Tsaka yung layo.
Layo. Sa oras mong biyahe yan. Depende.
I'm full.
Ngayon, pag inihan, over ko yung letter na yung bukas.
Prepare to die. Prepare to die. Prepare to
Tawagan mo ako
die.
agad. Kaya pag ibinigay ko yan, tatawagan ko na agad bukas yung manager.
Ang sabi ko sa'yo, ang gawin mo muna,
Man, those freaking jukes.
Oo.
Woo! No, you can't use a bow because that's not. I haven't got a ranged weapon. Oh yeah, I do. You don't have arrows. You don't have arrows. You do. I'm 51. Oh crap! Oh crap! Crap! I'm losing. Oh crap! Your bow is good.
So,
It's just my aiming.
iwan mo lang hanggang umaga para magkaroon siya ng time na kontakin yung main office nila. Kasi hindi naman siya pwedeng mag-offer kung magkano.
Man.
Oo. Oo.
Magkano pwede.
Oh, what's your hands? You want chips? And chicken. Hello?
Hindi ka na tinawag natin hanggang umaga.
Chicken.
Nanggap yun. Kontakin mo yun.
Shot you.
Mayayos niya yun.
Oo, ay papeles. Kinabukasan.
Oh.
Pero, ang hirap kasi mag-resign na
Oo, pero doon sa ano. Pero automatic yun. Hindi mo na kailangan sa akin sa biyo. Accepted ka na. Ngayon, tatawag mo lang sa akin na ibigay mo yung pinapagawa ko nga sa'yo. Automatic yun.
Are you eating noob? You noob. No. 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 No.
Ito ba ang gawin na isip?
Oh crap, I'm gonna die now. I don't have food. Oh no. No.
Oo. Hindi, may agency ako na.
Stop moving. I'm keep still for me.
Okay.
Time to time na, tinecheck ako. At pag-usapan mo
You proud of me? I kept still for you. I've been good for 2 hours.
sa agency.
Man, I can't hit you. How come? Because I'm sick of it.
Paano yan? Pag iba nagsimula na ako dito, ako magbabayad dito sa agency na. Hindi kasi nag-apply ako online.
This is so fun, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. You gonna drown? Come on. Crap. Where's my arrow? Oh, crap. I've no food. I'll make you some. Okay, come here. I'm going to kill you. Man.
No, that's not fair. You got more health now.
That's why I'm making you food.
Woman boy.
I'll give you food.
You give me steaks or
Okay, look, come here.
give me cooking pies.
Say. Okay, I'm gonna give you like so much bread. You don't need that much bread. How much bread you got?
Oo.
Pero yun, i-clarify mo lang yun.
Hindi, ipapadala sa akin.
Okay, ready. Are you ready?
No, I can't get the bread and
Drop something.
What did I need? What did
I don't need dirt. Like yeah, you're like so dirty. You're so dirty.
Employer mo.
Like you're monster.
Oo.
You're so dirty. You're like dirt. Die. Die.
Hindi lang.
Die. 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 Oh, that was so near. I'm going to kill you now.
Ay, oo.
Oh crap! Don't let the creeper.
Oo.
Sa amin, pag pinasok ka ng agency, sa isang hospital, employed ka ng agency.
there's a
With a brown arrow. Sa agency rin kami galing eh.
Okay, kasi ano yun, recruit ng agency yun.
Oo.
Pero dito, pag sa
Killed it.
ng agency dito, at ito yung dalawa.
Ah, damn. Man, I need to kill you so badly.
What?
Hindi yung
Let's go in the PvP.
But you don't need you don't need snow, don't you?
I don't need this.
Diba ang trabaho
That's
ng
cool slap.
Oo.
Boom!
agency, meron sila
Okay.
Wait.
na matatanggap dahil may
Same stuff I got.
wala kung sa na yung kontrata mo na tanggap mo na wala meron sila siguro sila kumbaga parang binayaran lang sila ng anak ng tao o bayaran mo sila ng kumpanya
See you got your iPad?
bayad nila tapos nung wala kang pakialam sa kanila
Oo.
kung bakit talagang ng agency ng fee magreklamo ka hindi yung ganun yung sabihin nun agency ang mo
Don't hurt me. I'm doing stuff.
tama?
Okay.
Parang fly now, pay later.
Oo.
Yan.
I've got my diamond. Hey.
Nandito, tama ko nga sa agency. Nandito na yun. Ano ba magandang tanong?
Sabihin mo, I just want to clarify, because I applied through the agency. I just want to make sure if
Can we stop?
Come on, I'm still recording, you know.
Yeah. Stop, man.
After
The deal to something.
Yeah, okay, fine.
And would the agency still have anything to do with me after?
Wait, what's this?
Ikaw nga pare ko eh.
Shop $1.23.
Kuhanan ng bayan. Tama?
Ito nga pare ko mag-English at magaling ka sa ganyan.
That's cheap, man.
Eto, sabi ko.
Ha?
Alas, 9:45 to 9:10 na, pare.
Oh, I was gonna shot you.
Teka. Ayan o.
Bukas pa sila.
In the house.
Hey, you. Wash your hands. Don't you go in there. Eat. Finish up.
Oo.
Dato.
Wag yung panghang. Baka may panghang. From now on, no bows, only swords. No ranged weapons. No ranged weapons from now on. Just swords and that.
Ito ka rin.
Did I hit you?
No, I went into.
Jake, pakainin mo na sila dyan.
Inaanak ko nga ayaw mag-wash ng hands.
Sikon.
Even, I think even done this one. It's too easy, he
Hello,
said.
Ellie.
It's too easy, he said. Try na this the abstract. Yeah, this is abstract.
Your agency.
Going to kill you now.
What?
Once I started talking
Wait, don't attack yet. I want to do something. I want to craft. I need to. I'm full. I need a chest to put stuff in.
Okay.
Don't hit me.
So just go in one of my chests.
sorry?
What did you want to eat?
I told you to stop.
Okay, fine, sauce.
Every week?
It's saucy.
Can I get these carrots?
What carrots?
These. Look, you carrot form. Wait.
Sugar cane!
So greenhouse will be the one to
Why
feed
did you
it.
do that?
Sugar cane!
Right. So that's why I'm confused with the last
I told you not to hit me.
Wait, it's because it's down. Wait.
It's down. Dawn.
Yeah.
How many minecarts are there? You haven't even got a...
Alright, so yeah. So yeah, no problem.
Wait, can I put it in any chest?
Yeah, you can put it in the chest.
Wait, don't.
Barrel of
Okay.
you. Yeah.
Slowly.
Yeah.
You can know.
Yeah,
Okay. So tomorrow I'm gonna speak to my manager because I'll be starting.
Yeah, but sometimes a bit quicker if you just...
Imperial tomorrow working. So it's the first day of. So alright. Then I'll let you know. Yeah.
So I'm background noise.
Station. Oh yeah, it's full.
I'm sorry for the background noise, guys. Because of like stuff,
when I
important
spoke
stuff.
to him
So yeah.
yesterday, he said, you can start whenever you like. You are already accepted. But make sure you hand
Okay.
over the month notice to your manager because he's my friend as
This is
well.
alright. You can.
He knows my
You're not allowed
manager.
to. No ranged weapons occur.
Okay.
Yeah,
Target man.
yeah, and he said, and I explained to him. So,
Okay, are you ready?
Mike,
Come into my PvP arena.
I'm going to give my
Wait.
month notice on Monday.
A PvP arena. PvP arena.
If it's a month notice, that would be July 30. So I can start then about August.
happened?
And he said, it's not a problem. Anytime you like, give me a ring. You're already accepted. So, yeah.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, I got disconnected.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. Bye.
The PvP arena's there. Okay. This. Yeah, this is the PvP arena.
Yung greenhouse daw ang magbabayad sa kanya. Sabi wala kang obligasyon sa akin dahil yung pinaplayan mo.
Are you hired
magbabayad sa
from
akin.
it?
Binabayaran kami ng mga
It's not really
marami
any
raw
fun
yung agency na yan, sabi.
Ibig sabihin, one-off lang na...
Oo.
No, but-
Babayaran ka ni ng boss mo.
actually, I'm just
wala
gonna-
kang pakialam sa akin.
When you
Ano
come, I'm just
magbabayad?
gonna creep up to you.
Yung trabaho namin kasi
What the
ginamit
heck?
daw sila
Put my stuff on.
Ang inaano ko.
Okay, I'll stop.
So, parang baka mamaya,
Where's my stuff
agency. Wala kang karapatan nun, agency.
Oo, hindi, malinaw sa akin. Wala kang ano, bigyan mo lang ako sabi ng beer. A drink, sabi mo. Sabi, laki ng offer sa'yo, sige.
Ready?
I'm lagging.
No, put it to full.
Why?
Put your no, not the view distance.
Ang
No,
dami
because I'm
tumatawag
gonna
sa
lag.
akin. Mamtakay mo hanggang...
Are you ready?
Wait, I have to start here. Ready?
28 ang bigay.
Ready, go.
Pupuntahan ko na nga sana eh.
No eating.
Playan ko na.
And if you die, you can't collect the code.
Doon sa manager.
You can't collect any stuff.
Tawagan na ako. Sabi, pwede ko bang i-interviewin. Eh, ito dumating ito, 32 ang offer. O di ko,
Bye.
tawag lang ng tawag. In-interview na ako.
Anyway, don't get.
Lahat ng in-interview sa akin, pinakita sa akin.
I want to go to your bed.
You're getting it. Give me back my bread. Throw it down.
Sabi,
Man, that was
sabi ko, ginagawa ko yan.
Where am I? You're lost.
On-site customer.
What did I? Go. I'm nothing on this.
Go to that nether reactor. Go in front of it. Yeah.
Breakdown sa motorway. Sabi, gagawin mo yung truck doon. Sabi ko, oo. Ginagawa namin dito sa garahe. Kasi pinapadala ko sa highway.
Car of grip.
Yung mga tumikirik na truck doon, gagawin mo sa gitna ng highway.
Yeah.
Isipin mo yun na.
Yeah. This mob is attacking me. And
Ginagawa. Kasi hindi mo bayad lang nila sa akin.
I don't want to do PvP anymore.
You wanna do?
Lahat ng
What do you want to do?
I don't know.
Kill
ayaw
Dr.
gawin ng puti.
Or you want to do this?
Wala akong kawala.
Get your stuff.
Hindi man ako makapag-reklamo. Dahil baka ako
Pero-
wala ng trabaho. May pamilya ako. Eh ngayon.
Gonna go away.
Ngayon, yan mo ngayon ano din. Ngayon, kung mas gusto mo pa rin, yung mas mataas na yun, yun lang, may katulad na biyahe.
Okay lang. Kung halimbawa wala talagang ang offer nila is...
Kung hindi yan itataas.
Oo.
Kasi kung tataas naman yan,
Wait, go here.
Ayun na.
Go face
ayaw mo
down.
na lang eh. No.
Wait, go get out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Oo.
Ngayon, kung wala,
Okay.
puntahan mo na.
Cause the texture pack is good, yeah.
Naibigay ko na.
Oo, naibigay
Papadala na siguro sa iyo.
Sinabi na sa akin nung ano, Mike, binigyan ako ng tareto. Sabi sa akin, anytime na ano, tawagan ko lang.
Hope you guys really good. I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Say bye.
Oo, dealer din ng ano.
Bye.
Lahat ng ginagawa ko dyan sa garage.